Hello and welcome to How to Safely Update Adobe Flash Player on your Mac. First of all, let's discuss what Adobe Flash Player does for you. Flash Player in its various forms has been around since 1996 and is used by web page developers to animate otherwise static websites with animation and videos. Apple's Safari web browser automatically disables Adobe's Flash Player starting with macOS Sierra 10.12, and many people really haven't missed it. There are, however, many gaming and educational sites that still rely on Adobe's Flash Player and have not made the switch to the open standard of HTML5 yet. So, if you still have a need for Adobe's Flash Player on your Mac, you should learn the correct way and the safe way to keep it updated. If you visit a website and the website indicates your Flash Player is out of date, or if you see a pop-up window on your Mac saying your Flash Player or Media Player or Player is out of date, you should assume you're being scammed. If you fall for one of these scams, you're very likely going to be installing malware on your Mac instead of an official Adobe Flash Player update. The correct way to check for any available Adobe Flash Player update is to click on the apple in the upper left-hand corner of your Mac screen and choose System Preferences. Next, find the Adobe Flash Player System pane. It should be in the bottom row of icons. Click on it. You will see a window open up with tabs at the top for Storage, Camera and Mic, Playback, Updates, and Advanced. Click on Updates. There are two different plugins available depending on which web browsers you use. If you're using Adobe's or Apple's Safari or Mozilla's Firefox web browsers, you will want to click on the Check Now for NPAPI. NPAPI stands for Netscape Plugin Application Programming Interface. So what's PPAPI, and do you still need to install it? PPAPI stands for Pepper Plugin Application Programming Interface and was introduced by Google. You would need to update the PPAPI only if you use Google's Chrome or browsers derived from Chrome such as Chromium, Opera, and Vivaldi. If you use several different browsers, you may need to download and install both plugins. Lastly, click on Check Now by the plugins you use to see if there's an available update. If there is, you should download it and install it only if you still need Adobe Flash Player. Thank you for watching TechMeBack's How to Safely Update Adobe Flash Player on your Mac. Please be sure to click on the thumbs up if this video was of help to you, and please consider subscribing to our videos. Thank you again.